This is a poem about the art of writing, which I compare to the art of angling, or that is fishing. It's in one of my most recent books, and the title is The Angling. Like an angler choosing the perfect lure, feather and fabric mayfly or damselfly stitched during a long winter, the poet selects the right nib, fits it to a favorite pen, dips it in jet blue ink the pen drinks in. Before it can make its mark, he inscribes with it the space above a blank page, the nib shadow casting back and forth, then settling on the page, its cursive forming ovals, lines, parabolas, animal origins of a language as old as what the poet hopes may lurk below and rise like dream to the lure. Perhaps some first memory, every colored, some rainbow speckled, dappled nibble and sudden strike of a thing the poet begins to play, letting out his line, letting out, reeling in, playing it for how long he has no idea. Sometimes seeing it break the surface, permitting glimpses of itself. He hopes what he nets, though quickly fading in the ordinary air, will be essential.